Manufacturing. This word often brings to mind dirty, unsafe work environments, low labor wages, and outsourcing of important American jobs. In reality, the United States generates almost $2 trillion in gross domestic product from state-of-the-art manufacturing technologies housed in clean, safe work environments with skilled American workers earning an average of $22 per hour. Modern American companies have revolutionized advanced technology-driven manufacturing with automated equipment that is operated and maintained by highly skilled workers with a passion for creating innovative and relevant products. Modern manufacturing requires techniques from handcrafting to high-tech equipment to transform raw materials into finished, usable products on a large scale. Each manufacturing facility utilizes unique processes to create a specific product designed to enhance our lives. Each state in the United States offers a unique infrastructure that supports robust U.S. manufacturing industries. Do you know what's made in your backyard? Florida is well known for many things. Of course, it's a mecca for international tourism and a hot spot for domestic entertainment. But that's not all that's made in Florida. Some of the products that you use and benefit from every day are made in Florida. Manufacturing in Florida is an important and essential component to the state's economy and employs thousands of hardworking Florida residents. Florida is the 7th highest exporter of goods in the United States, producing materials from the contact lenses that people use to improve vision to key components in the air conditioner that cools your favorite shopping destination. Florida manufacturing can be broken up into 8 major sectors, including aviation and aerospace, medical devices and equipment, transportation and logistics, electronics and electrical, food, beverage, pharmaceuticals and packaging, machine and product fabrication, leisure and entertainment, and product design and system integration. Come and explore 6 different regions in Florida, starting with Florida's Northeast region and then moving through the Central East, Southeast, Southwest, Central West, and finally Florida's Northwest to learn about the products made in over 18,000 manufacturing companies employing over 300,000 workers right here in your backyard. Florida's Northeast region is home to St. Augustine, one of the oldest cities in the United States. The Northeast region is comprised of 17 counties, including Lafayette and Duval County, which house many important manufacturing companies, including Coca-Cola, Anheuser-Busch, and Johnson & Johnson. If you're one of the 2 million people lucky enough to live in Florida's industrious Northeast region, Johnson & Johnson Vision Care is manufacturing awesome consumer products right in your backyard. Johnson & Johnson Vision Care, also known as Vistakon, is a leading manufacturer of contact lenses and has been in Florida for over 30 years. Their AccuView brand of contact lenses are worn by more people in the world than any other brand of contact lens.
Here at Vision Care, we make contact lenses. Pretty much if it's an AccuView brand, we make it here at the Jacksonville facility.
Using highly proprietary and innovative processes, they revolutionized contact lenses in the 1980s with the first soft disposable contact lenses. Located in the Jacksonville area, Johnson & Johnson Vision Care employs 2,100 hardworking Floridians and generates an average of $2.9 billion in revenue.
We programming robotic, pneumatic equipment that no human touching the product. We producing from a raw material and coming out with a finished good product.
Every day, Johnson & Johnson employees experience a unique sense of camaraderie and pride as they are guided by the philosophy of corporate responsibility embodied by their credo to put the needs and well-being of the people they serve first.
Manufacturing is one of the best opportunities I've had presented to me, and I encourage everybody that manufacturing is not like it used to be with smokestacks, hot and dirty. Here in our facility, it's air conditioned, it's a controlled environment, and we ensure safety. Every person here has gone through safety training, and we do not have jobs where it would endanger a person.
Every time you use an AccuView brand contact lens, you are experiencing the comfort and care of Johnson & Johnson Vision Care products that are made in Florida. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Entering Florida's Space Coast, where adventure awaits you. Florida's popular and distinguished Space Coast is located in the Central East region, including 11 counties such as Orange and Brevard County. Lockheed Martin, Mitsubishi Hitachi Power Systems, Frito-Lay, and the Harris Corporation are just a few of the many manufacturing companies located in Florida's Central East region. For the nearly 4 million people living in the Central East, Harris Corporation is producing international communications and information technology right in their backyard. Headquartered in Melbourne, Florida, Harris Corporation has approximately $5 billion of annual revenue and employs about 14,000 Floridians while serving government and commercial markets in more than 125 countries.
Working at Harris has been a great experience. There's always new challenges and problems to solve, and I'm constantly applying different techniques that I learned in school.
With applications ranging from communication systems that assist the brave men and women serving in our country's military to reflectors that can be found in satellites orbiting the Earth, Harris Corporation specializes in developing communications products, systems, and services.
I work programs that support some pretty cool stuff, such as the F-35 aircraft and the Apache helicopter.
Basically, if you've ever been to an air show and seen an F-18 scream across the sky, I build a little part of that plane.
The next time you catch up with friends on your cell phone, you may just have the Harris Corporation to thank. And that's just the beginning of all the manufacturing that the Space Coast has to offer.
Once you're in the light of this job, it just kind of happens. You don't even realize that you're starting to grow and you're getting better at some of the things that you do.
Now you are just getting started with learning about all the great things that are made in Florida.
Henry Ford's manufacturing assembly line with its innovative machines marked the beginning of automation and robotics in American manufacturing. Modern automated manufacturing uses a combination of mechanical, hydraulic, pneumatic, and electrical components, increasing productivity, quality, and the safety of the manufacturing process. With the rise of advanced computer hardware and ingenious software programming, robotics have become a commonplace technology in state-of-the-art facilities. Robotics revolutionized manufacturing by allowing for the precise production and replication of products, by limiting the requirement for hands-on human labor and reducing the probability of human error while dramatically increasing the safety of workers in the manufacturing environment. Due to the use of robotics, it is likely that some of the products that you use may have been manufactured without ever having been touched by a human hand.
Looking for a warm spot with good jobs and plenty of fun in the sun? Some of the state's most popular beaches and nightlife attractions are found around the Miami area, located in Florida's Southeast region. The Southeast region includes 3 of the largest counties in Florida and is home to over 5.5 million Floridians. Dozens of high-tech manufacturing companies such as Nipro Diagnostics, Nature's Products, R.L. Schreiber Spices, and the Horbiger Corporation of America call this region home. Horbiger Corporation of America is an amazing company providing robust and flexible work opportunities for its region's residents. Horbiger is a leader in the fields of compression technology, drive technology, and automation technology.
Well, the type of products we make here are mostly compressor parts for valves and compressors for just about anything that moves.
The Horbiger brand is synonymous with performance-defining components in compressors, industrial engines and turbines, and automobile transmissions. with Horbiger Corporation of America generating over $1 billion in revenue annually and providing employment opportunities to over 6,400 people, this innovative company truly adds value to the robust and diverse manufacturing landscape in the Southeast region, while continuing to expand the catalog of products that are made in Florida.
Here at Horbiger Corporation of America, I've learned that there is manufacturing going on in South Florida, that there are a variety of different companies from Daytona Beach, Pompano, down in Miami, things that I never knew about manufacturing, and my eyes are open to all the opportunities that the manufacturing field has going on in Florida and basically in the United States.
Techniques in manufacturing is the ability to manipulate materials through processes that transform a raw material into a desired, unique, and functional shape. Traditionally, machining was performed by hand, and these techniques are still used in manufacturing today. Accessibility of powerful computers has allowed many companies to utilize the benefits of controlling equipment with a computer numerical control, or CNC, resulting in higher precision manufacturing with processes including plasma cutting, punching, robotic welding, and more. While many companies use CNC machines to control various manufacturing equipment, they all do so in a unique and specific way to produce their trademark products. Jobs as a CNC machinist or a CNC programmer are in high demand in Florida and pay very well. A person can earn from $35,000 to $75,000 a year, depending on their level of skill and expertise.
Warning, warning! Beware of poisonous snakes, Florida panthers, and alligators as we travel across the state through the pristine wetlands in America's Everglades to reach the warm, sunny beaches in Florida's southwest region. Florida's southwest region is made up of 10 counties, including Monroe, Collier, and Sarasota County, and is known for its thriving art communities and the stunning Florida Keys. It is also home to many industrious and innovative manufacturing companies, including Air Products, Tropicana, PGT, Black Diamond Strings, Pelican Wire, Shaw Development, and Sun Hydraulics, all who develop products that are made in Florida. Shaw Development, a fluid systems manufacturer located in Bonita Springs, specializes in the design, development, and manufacture of custom fluid management solutions for heavy-duty vehicles.
We use all types of processes to manufacture our products, starting with injection molding and machining, welding, light assembly work, and a full paint department. We're very dynamic.
Shaw Development employs approximately 140 workers in the southwest region.
A good employer, very nice, friendly. They respect everybody, from the bottom to the top. If you want to get different position and you're bored and you need money, you can go to school, get back in, they sponsor you back, and you can actually move up.
Components manufactured by Shaw Development are commonly used in on-highway, military, and off-road heavy-duty vehicle applications, such as farm equipment, construction equipment, and passenger buses. Moving a little north, in the southwest region, you'll find another important Florida company located in your backyard. Sun Hydraulics, a Sarasota company founded in 1970, is a leading designer and manufacturer of high-performance screw-in hydraulic cartridge valves and manifolds. With over $200 million of revenue in 2013, Sun Hydraulics employs over 650 skilled workers in the southwest region and uses advanced robotic equipment to manufacture products that set the standard for the screw-in hydraulic cartridge valve industry.
Our products are used on devices that require high motion with forces. Examples would include fire engines. If you see a Florida Power and Light utility truck, a bucket truck, you'll find our products on those devices. We're at the airports for baggage handling equipment and a variety of other equipment that you may or may not have seen.
So next time you see a school bus drive by or an industrial crane loading a tractor trailer, remember that components in those machines might have been made in Florida.
If you like hot metal, sparks, and using thousands of amps of pure electrical energy, welding may be your calling. Welding is a high-powered fabrication process used for joining various materials such as metal, glass, or plastics. Welding is commonplace in many manufacturing companies and is often an essential aspect of the manufacturing process. Welding 21st century materials requires highly skilled workers who have a keen eye for precision as well as a knack for safety. Many companies that use welding for routine, repeated welds are adding robotic welding as a means to increase efficiency, precision, and accuracy, as well as enhance production and plant safety.
With its 19 commercial service airports, 15 deep water seaports, 3,000 miles of freight rail tracks, over 12,000 miles of highway, and 2 spaceports, Florida is home to a vast transportation infrastructure, making it a prime location for medical device, aviation, and aerospace manufacturing, as well as food processing. Tampa, Florida, located in the Central West region of the state, is home to Florida's largest seaport, Port Tampa Bay. With access to established global distribution channels, it's no surprise that this region attracts a wide array of state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, providing lucrative employment opportunities in the backyard of over 4 million Central West residents. Comprised of 9 counties, including Pinellas, Hillsborough, and Pasco County, the Central West is home to a myriad of companies including Publix, Florida's Natural Growers, ConMed, Lockheed Martin, Yingling, Southern Manufacturing Technologies, and Heat Pipe Technology. Founded in 1983 and located in Tampa, Florida, Southern Manufacturing Technologies combines their unique experiences and resources to manufacture precision machine components and assemblies from a variety of materials with applications in the aircraft, aerospace, and defense industries.
We use computer-controlled machines to form the metal and to make the components, and our customers use them in aircraft fuel controls, and they're used on 737s, 787s, F-16s. One thing that's kind of unique and interesting is we actually have some parts that are on Mars that were part of the Curiosity landing, and also even going back further than that, part of the initial Mars rover, we had parts on that also.
SMT employees use the latest modeling software to create specialized instructions that guide a variety of CNC machines in cutting materials with the exact tolerance levels required in the end products that incorporate their components. Also housed in Tampa, Heat Pipe Technology is another great Florida manufacturing company located in the Central West region. Founded in 1983, Heat Pipe Technology is a global leader in energy recovery and dehumidification systems for global commercial applications. Their proprietary heat pipe technology allows their customers to save energy and dramatically reduce heating and cooling costs. So next time you're flying on a commercial airplane or enjoying the cool air at your school or workplace, all of this may be possible because of products made in Florida.
If you are someone who is looking for a career that offers a comfortable salary, benefits, and the opportunity to be immersed in a dynamic and empowering work environment, then a career in manufacturing may be just what you're looking for. Florida has a track record of employing hard-working individuals who are satisfied with their career and the quality of their work, providing them with a grand sense of accomplishment and purpose.
Creating something from ground zero and watching the product get built and actually watching the final product get shipped out is, like I say, in its own world, it's adrenaline rush, it's an artist, it's creativity, it's a lot of things that fall into one. And I every day, like I said, I never get enough of it. I've been doing it 15 years and I love what I do. I'm very proud of what I do.
For me, when I get done doing something, I've built something. I can walk out that day and say, look, I did something. You drive down the road, you see your stuff, products on the road, you see it wherever you go. It's kind of nice to see what you built, you know, when you leave at the end of the day. So that's what excites me. When I get done here, I know I've done something.
Positioning yourself to acquire a career in one of the many manufacturing companies located throughout Florida is not as hard as you may think. There are many organizations that will assist you in your journey towards a better career and a better future.
Now it's time to visit the Northwest region, also known as the Florida Panhandle, a 16-county region that extends along the Gulf of Mexico from Pensacola on the western border of Florida to just east of Tallahassee, Florida's capital city. The brilliant emerald green waters of the Gulf of Mexico have garnished a portion of this area with the nickname the Emerald Coast. The Northwest region is home to over 1.5 million people who are visited annually by millions of tourists seeking relaxation in Florida's beautiful natural resources, world-class shopping, and fresh seafood restaurants. In addition to a bustling deep-sea fishing industry, many manufacturers such as Hitachi Cable Automotive Products USA, General Electric Wind Energy, Jensen Group, and Danfoss Turbocore produce cutting-edge products and employ hard-working Floridians. Have you ever wondered how a large hospital or hotel manages all of its laundry? With well over $250 million of revenue in 2013, Jensen develops and manufactures large-scale technologies which cover the entire laundry process from soiled linen sorting through the washroom, the finishing department, and deliveries.
We produce machines that are big enough to actually hold the capacity in which each company needs.
Here at Jensen, our processes, we have welding, we have a press brake, we do bending operations, laser cut, we got a machine shop where we tap, drill, we have assembly where you take the parts that have been fabricated and put them together, and we also do quite a bit of crating and shipping.
The Panama City plant is one of Jensen's 5 worldwide production facilities and employs over 140 workers in the Northwest region.
Jobs like this are better because you have the opportunity to advance, make more money than you would at like a fast food restaurant, and be able to support your family.
With their slogan, "Blue and white is also green," Jensen aims to assist heavy-duty laundries worldwide, including Disney World, to provide quality textile services in an economical and environmentally friendly way. Speaking of environmentally friendly technologies, Danfoss Turbocore, located in Tallahassee, Florida, designs and manufactures some of the world's most efficient commercial refrigerant compressors, allowing their customers to save money and significantly reduce their energy consumption.
Just that feeling of satisfaction to know I'm part of a group, of a bigger team, producing especially this compressor, which is built right here only in Tallahassee and sold around the world. It's really exciting.
Turbocore compressors are transforming the commercial heating, ventilation, and air conditioning industry with innovative technology that removes the need for oil lubrication, making the way for more compact, quiet, and lightweight compressors with the use of magnetic bearing technologies.
I make the sensors that go into the compressor that tells the shaft to levitate and to turn. If it goes out of balance, my sensor corrects that and makes sure that it's spinning correctly.
These compressors are integrated in temperature regulating equipment for applications including hotels, hospitals, industrial facilities, office buildings, schools, and museums.
We do have good quality workmanship here in Florida and the United States in general. We need to exploit that, and we definitely encourage everybody that has that interest into manufacturing. I mean, go for it.
So the next time you grab a towel at your favorite hotel or enjoy the cool air during your stay, remember that these conveniences are made possible because of products made in Florida. You have experienced a small taste of the over 18,000 manufacturing facilities that employ over 300,000 American workers and create important products that are made in Florida. Florida companies aspire to innovate, develop, and create some of the world's leading industrial and consumer products and technologies. These pillars of industry, coupled with Florida's robust transportation infrastructure and expansive education system, make the state a hotspot for continued expansion and lucrative employment opportunities. There are some exciting things going on in your backyard because there is a vast catalog of merchandise that is made in Florida.